I'm sitting at our newest listing. Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I'm sitting at 62 Brook Road, Enfield, Connecticut. And I am in an adorable cape. It is a one-owner home that's never been for sale before. This is a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, 1-car garage. It has so much space to spread out in. It is a fabulous home for a growing family. I'm sitting in the family room that does have heat, and it's attached. It leads to the garage, and it also leads to a beautiful large eat-in kitchen. It is fully applianced. It's great for cooking and having extended family in. And if you're looking to entertain, you can spread out onto the 3-season porch as well. So this 3-season porch leads to a patio. It's a nice level lot. It's wonderful for children to play in or for your furry friends to run in. This house offers hardwood floors, a newer architectural roof, a young heating system, some new spigots that are frost-free in the front and the back. It is really, really a special home. So if you'd like to be among the first to receive pictures of this adorable cape, send us an email at team@teamgabriel.net or give us a call at 860-618-6233. We look forward to hearing from you.